Hey, I want to take a quick trip to Bed Bath& and Beyond to see what they have for outdoor because before you know it, it will be summer and spring is just around the corner. When you first walk in, they have started setting up all of their outdoor furniture. So they have this cute egg chair. They had something like this last year too. I think it is so cute though, 550. And you could see how it just looks nice and really soft. And then they paired it with one of their throw pillows. So they have a bunch of them there. They didn't all have tags on them. I was able to find a tag on one of them. It was like $20. So I'm guessing they're around that price, but they are really pretty. And they are neutral, so they go with a lot of different things. So you can see the pillow better here with a little detail on the front with the piping. This chair, $400, and it goes with the egg chair. So you can make a whole little set with these pieces. They have this little fire pit here for $300. They have a bunch of other chairs. So they have this chair right here. It's kind of like a metal for 65. This one right here, kind of like a wicker for $70. Another nice neutral color. They have these right here. They're going to be $50. And these came in different colors. And then these also have the matching lounge chair with it. So you can get a whole little set out of these too. And the lounge chair was $150. This little barcode I thought was cute because it is on sale, it says. So it was $200 and now it is $100. So that's $100 savings. And it's just real pretty. And it goes with a lot of their pieces that they have. They had this little high top table set right here. So you bought the pieces individually for those, just like all of the other pieces here. I like how they paired them with the different lanterns and different things that they do have. So all of those are real pretty. You can get that set of two round tables for $75. You can get that fire pit for $350. That little low table right there, another $75 one. And then this chair right here, $200. The tabletop was $150 for the high top table, and then you can get the chairs that go with it. You could pair it with a different set of chairs, but those chairs are $180. So that was cute too, and that's like a wicker kind of material too. um just a ton of good things. Like I said, they have the little lanterns they paired it with. These are really pretty because they come with the little faux light in there, so imagine that shimmering through at night. That would be real nice and pretty. This is a whole set, so some of the pieces are going to be individual, and then they do have some outdoor sets. So if you're looking for an outdoor set, you can get this one right here, and it is $500. I'm thinking the table in the middle is the fourth piece. I can't say for sure, but the other table had a tag on it. So I'm thinking you get those two chairs, you get that table, and you get the little bench. And then that other table was $50. This fire pit, another one on sale. So that one's $125 and it was $175. So you save $50 on that. These chairs I thought were cute, and they kind of look like some chairs that they had last year, but these are higher top table chairs, but they did not have a tag on it. So I don't know how much these are, but they were cute. And again, they look like the ones from last year. These another set of wicker chairs. So those are $80 a piece. And then these little side tables here, you can grab those for $20, and those came in different colors too. They also had umbrellas. They didn't have tags on them, no, but I'm thinking this umbrella is for sale here. And it's nice because it's weighted, and then you can see there's a little arm there and stuff. So you might be able to pick you up some nice umbrellas. This was another nice set. Okay, so you see how the ottoman pieces, they tuck underneath the chair. I like the color of the blue, the little piping that goes on. It just is really pretty to me. And you're supposed to get all of those pieces minus the little marble piece on the table there. But it's a five-piece set. So you get the little side table, you get the ottomans, and you get the two chairs for $450. I think that's a really good deal. And it's pretty. It's just like a really pretty spring, summer-like look. I think that's nice. They have this right here. So you get the fire pit table for $300. And then you can pair that with any chair that you want. These are the chairs they did have out to go along with it. And they were $100 a piece for those, but you can pair it with anything. They have other outdoor things. So they have things for your grill. They have things for the beach. They have this little grill thing here for you can put your vegetables, different things. $10. So that way you have to worry about foil and different things, when you're doing your grilling. Chairs for the beach for under $30 that you can grab. They look kind of cushiony too. So you like not a big cushion, but not rough. They have other chairs tables come in different sizes. So a lot of them you'll be able to get the tables. They have smaller versions and they have bigger versions. So you can set up something really nice and find something, to fit your size. Cute throw pillows, like I said. The lanterns I love because, okay, you can see on the top shelf they have the bigger ones. So these are going to be the bigger ones, and they were like $30, $40, $50, depending on which one you picked. And then they have mid-sized ones, they have smaller ones, so you can see $40, $20, and they go with the other ones. So you know how you can do the set where you have the one big one and the smaller ones. I love how they do that. So you can get a ton of that. Planters, different things. They have this little tabletop fire pit right here, which was cute. $60, not bad at all. This little picnic set, I had one like this when I was younger. And then lights, string lights and stuff like that. And this is a good look at the picnic set. This one is fancier than the one that I had when I was younger. This one is $40. The one I had did not have, it had like, the plates and the different things, but it didn't have this. It wasn't insulated, so your food can stay hot or cold. I thought that was cute. So this comes with glasses, but you don't see them there. So they're probably one of those boxes. So you get a basket, 4 plates, wine glasses, cutlery set, and a bottle opener. But some of the things are just not out there, but they're probably in those little boxes that they have there. Side tables, and then these are good too because you can use these as side tables, you can use these as planner stands, you can do whatever you want. But see, I like how they go along with the lanterns, because you can see that white one right there goes along with some of the lantern options that they do have, which I think is great. This right here, $20, a little gardening set. Thought it was cute with the little tools with it. A ton of other planters, you can see those around $20. And then the planter tools, I like that these are black, $7. So these will look cute too. And then you can see the bigger version of those planters there for about $35. And these have like a nice little texture to them, which I thought was pretty. So might want to grab some of those, especially if you're into, garden life and things like that. Then they have this. This is great because this will cover your foods if you do like outdoor dining and stuff like that. More chairs, and then you can see those lanterns there. These are even bigger than the other ones that we saw. So you can get like I said, you can just go in levels with these sets. And then this is how the tables are. You can get a big table, you can get a small table. So you can decorate, especially if you have a large outside space. You can put these all throughout. Cute little kid chairs. I thought these were super cute for $25, and they came in different colors. You can grab this lounger right here for $150, and that one came in different colors too. They had a striped one. So just a ton of different things for outdoors right now at Bed Bath & Beyond. They have things for your yard, so you can get the inflatable pools. This one said it is a sprinkler. I don't know if the water just shoots out that one hole. I don't know how that works. So probably like, for the kids so they can get, wet. They have the little slip and slide things here. They have the little water cozy things for the pool, inflatable pools, and more little sprinkler things. Just a bunch of cute little things that you can use in your yard if you are fortunate enough to have a yard space for the kids. This LED beach ball, so that'll change colors. I think it will. It had different colors on it, so I'm thinking it'll change colors. Beach towels. These look nice, and the prints are pretty. They didn't have a price on these though. And then this, so this $30, and it's a beach sheet. So it comes in a little pack, so you can take it with you to the beach. And it's like they come in different prints, but it's like an actual sheet, like kind of like a sheet kind of material. So it's not like a towel material, it's like actual sheet kind of material. String lights, I thought these were pretty. So if you in person, they look even more, pretty. So they're like cute little vibrant string lights. These towel clips, I don't know how to use these. Usually I put weights on the end of my towels, but oh, you know what I just realized? Oh, you clip it to your chair. You clip it to your chair. Okay, so beach towels, more beach towels. Okay, it took me all day to realize that. Clip it to your chair. Okay, more cute beach towels and things, and then decorations. So if you are in the market, you might want to head over to Bed Bath & Beyond.